Every single day I get a check. It looks just like this. Every day I take this puppy to the bank to make a deposit. Woo! Oh yeah, let's do this. But there's a catch. Whatever's left in that bank account is gone at the end of the day. Poof. That's okay, because every day there's a new check to deposit. Woo! What the heck? Of course, this check here is just a metaphor for the 86,400 seconds that you get every day. What are you doing with your 86,400 seconds? I hope you're making each second count. I don't know when that short check is coming in. Do you? Make each second count. Find your adventure. Have a great day, and I will see you very soon.